how due process. That's an important detail to have it. Here, it depends. This thing needs to be washed, but that's fine. That one made me laugh. Tell more jokes. Tell more jokes. One, tell more jokes. I really like how you type. I really like it. 8 o'clock is always time consuming. That was a good one, but I like the first one more. Keep going, keep going. It'll work. Guys, I look insane. Tell more jokes now. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you, Evan. I'm feeling kind of chalk right now. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you, Viva. My bank account, I have something in common. We both struggle to make ends meet. I don't understand that one, but I'm gonna laugh anyways. Bro, I have so much makeup on my face. My real name is not Squid. I have a fear of speed bumps when I'm slowly getting over it. That is a good one. Good one, Owen. Did you just change your profile picture? Or am I dumb? Guys, my mascara is scary. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. That's a good one. I like the dairy one though.